In this tutorial, we'll explore how to manage referral letters in RenalGenie. You'll learn how to view, add, edit, delete, generate PDF, download attachments, and approve a referral letter, all within a few simple steps. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. To view an existing referral letter, go to the patient's profile, then click on Referral Letter from the left submenu. Here, you can see the list of referral letters created for this patient. To add a new referral letter, click the plus button at the bottom right. In this section, you can compose your referral letter. Click Save. You'll notice that the referral letter status remains as draft. It must be approved before it can be finalized. This icon shows attachments. Gray means no file attached. Clicking the three-dot icon will show options like Edit, Delete, Generate Download PDF, and Approve. Please note, you can only delete the referral letter while its status is draft. Once it's approved, deletion is no longer allowed. Click Edit to modify the referral letter. To attach a document, click the Attach icon, then select the file you want to add. Click Save. Click Approve to approve the referral letter. The status has now changed to Approved. Once approved, you can generate a PDF or download documents. This is the referral letter generated as a PDF file. Something smart is coming your way soon. Stay tuned for a new AI-powered experience to make things even easier. Thank you for watching.